Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, you will learn how to change Google account password that is used to sign in with different Google products. For example, YouTube, Gmail, Google Classroom, and Google Drive. Just go to the browser and open the site accounts.google.com. Here it will ask you the email address. Type the email address. For example, md@pakistanschool.org, then click on the next button. It will ask you the password. Enter the password that is provided by the school. Click on the next button for sign in. Here you can see an option is available, security. Click on the security tab, then go to the sign into Google. Here you can see the password is available. Click on the password that you have changed last sent July 14. Click on the password. It will confirm you that you are the real person. To continue, first verifies you. Enter your current password. Press enter or click on next. Here it will give you the choice to enter a new password. Or type the new password. For example, here you can see you have to enter at least 8 characters. You cannot enter below 8 characters or less than 8 characters. So you can use mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. So I can also use symbols to remove this error. Now when I will click the change password button, it will change my password. Here you can see it is giving me an error that I have to use mixed letters, numbers, and symbols in the password. So I can change the password again. Now as you can see, it is saying that you have put the strong password. Confirm the password again. Now click on change password. It is mismatching, or I have used this password again. So I have to put the password that I have never used. For example, I have put password that I have never used here again. Now click on the change password. Your password was changed. Now I can sign in with the new password. Never save my password. Sign up for my MD account and sign in back again with the new password. Now, as you can see, you have signed in with the new password. Now you can use different Google products with your account. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.